Come on. You kidding me? Come on, Gina. Does this happen to y'all? Does this ever happen to y'all? Driving these old cars and can't not get out. Yep, it's unlocked. Yep. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. That's embarrassing, y'all. It's been happening a lot lately. Welcome back to the channel, by the way. We're gonna get this fixed, right? We gotta do something about this. We're going out riding today, taking a drop guac, and half the time we gotta do this. How many times y'all done that? It's embarrassing, right? So let's see what's going on. We're gonna take this door panel apart. Hopefully we get you guys some information that you guys might be going through something like this, because I know it happens a lot in these old cars. Tear this thing up. We're gonna take these armrests off. 3 bolts. You should have one here, down here, and then one on this side. And then take this handle off, and then take all the screws out. Oh look, we already set up with a few tools down here. So this is the guy I really like. Look into it. I don't know where you guys can find one of these. I found this at a swap meet. But you get in here and you get between where the door panel clip and the door, and bam, it comes right out. It saves the door panel and the clip, so that way you don't have to redo that. But it's super hot, so we're just gonna get to it. Let's get it done. You guys seen these old handles, old style handles on these old cars. Also the window crank. They have these little C-clips, right? That look like that. They have a special tool that you can get in here and pop those out. But if you're like me, you don't have that special tool. All you do is you have a little pick like this. You go get over at Harbor Freight and you just get in there and you just pull it out. You get in there with this little pick. If I can try and get, there we go. And just pull it out. And that should pop right out now. Remove the clip, remove the handle. And that thing's stuck now. There it goes. See? That's all it is. So now, that's it. Simple as that. Same thing with the window crank. So we'll keep getting this stuff off. Oh yeah, remember to take this guy off, because then you'll be like, what the junk? Why is my handle not coming off? Just unscrew that son gun. Alright, looks like we finally can see what's going on in here. Let me put you guys all up in there. Alright, you guys can see, here's your latch mechanism. Now I noticed that this thing is actually different than a 70. The 70 is the one I was working on earlier this week on my 70. It was a little bit different, but I'm going to pull the handle and you can kind of see what's going on up there. You're kind of supposed to push that tab all the way up. I don't know if you guys can see the tab, the glass is kind of in the way. Another thing to keep in mind, make sure you guys put the glass all the way up. I'm trying to fish you guys in here. See, you guys can see, you see that tab up there where the handle pushes up on? It's like not pushing it further back. Like that's all we're getting. So we're gonna try to lubricate it first. Throw some white lithium grease and see if we can get it maybe to break loose. And see if that's all it is. This is the stuff I like to use. This guy here. Shake it up. I don't even know how much is still left in here. Let's see if we can kind of get this area nice and saturated. Get this thing, don't be shy with it. Get this thing soaked up, because this thing needs some lubrication. Just to kind of get it freed up and just keep hitting it. But what I was looking for is to make sure that that rod's connected and everything, because a lot of times those clips will break and the rod will pop out, which won't allow you to open that door. Well, we're going to do this first, kind of move it back and forth until we can kind of get that grease to kind of do its thing. All right, so we're gonna get in the car, see if we can get out, right? Whoops. Ooh, yeah, that was my flashlight. Remember to get your flashlight out of the way. Aha! Look at that, y'all. Easy as pie. Look at that. Sometimes you just need a little elbow grease, and that's it. That's a nice, easy fix, hopefully. Let's see. Look at that. I love it. That didn't cost us anything besides some white lithium grease. That's it. Dunzo, y'all. Boom. I like it. Oh yeah. Yeah. Definitely. See, just gotta get that thing all loosened up. I mean, you gotta remember that thing is probably 50 years old. Need to lube it up real quick. But guys, it's hot, super hot. But subscribe real quick. Hey, I want to say thank you for everybody participating in that giveaway. Appreciate everybody who bought some swag, and we still have swag left, guys. If you guys are looking for some swag, grab a hat, t-shirt, whatever we got on the website, and stay wrenching.